Wizkid is a legend when it comes to the ladies. So in today's video, we're reviewing the number of girls Wizkid has dated or had an affair with. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are new around here, it would be awesome if you guys go and click on the red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then turn on the bell notification to get notified anytime I drop new videos. I really appreciate that. God bless you. Before we start the countdown, there's this video of Wizkid's songwriter prank I would like you all to see. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Drop your honest reviews. And guys, would you try to set your girl up? Or girls, would you fall for a trap? Let me know in the comment section below. Roll the clip.
Guys, what's up? So this guy entered my DM and told me he wants me to prank his girlfriend. He claims that his girlfriend would never cheat on him and would not fall for my trick. So let's just try. I hope this does not destroy their relationship, Sha. Alright, I've connected my phone to my speaker so you can probably hear. You can hear well. So it's ringing. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Who is this?
Am I speaking with Deborah?
Yes, you are. Who are you and how did you get my number?
My name is Tony Adams. I am a songwriter, a cinematographer, and a business developer.
Okay, so how did you get my number?
A friend of mine, Larry, gave it to me. He said that you are beautiful and you would fit perfectly for the music video I wanted to direct.
Okay, thank you, but I don't know any language.
Oh, okay. The music video was actually for Wizkid, but I guess you're not interested. I would just.
Wait, sorry. Hold on. I said I don't know Larry. I didn't say I wasn't interested. I'm interested.
Oh, okay. So can you dance, whine, twerk, maybe?
I think I will let you decide that when we see.
Okay, so are you based in Lagos? Like, I wanted to know if we could just like hang out, catch up, so I could get to like know you better. What do you think?
Do you want to take me out on a date?
Yeah. Do you have a boyfriend?
No. I'm not lucky with guys.
Sorry, I did not get that.
I don't have a boyfriend. I'm waiting for Mr. Right.
Oh, Mr. Right. I'm also not lucky with girls, I guess. It's really it's terrible.
I like your voice, by the way.
You like my what? Sorry.
I like your voice.
Oh, thanks. I am sure I don't know. I'm grateful. I'm really grateful. I have you know what? Can I call you later? I have a meeting with Wizkid. With Ayo. I call him Ayo. I have a meeting with Ayo. Is this your WhatsApp number?
Okay.
Is this your WhatsApp number?
No. No, I will call you with it shortly. I'll call you my WhatsApp number shortly.
Okay. No, don't call me. Just send me a message, okay? I may not be able to pick up because we have a long discussion.
Oh,
okay?
that's fine. But sorry, is it possible that I'm so sorry that I get to speak with him? I mean, Wizkid.
You want to talk to Wizkid?
Yeah, if that's possible, please.
All right. I'll call you when he's free. Okay? Is that fine?
All right. Good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Please take care of yourself. All right?
All right,
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye. He don't happen. I don't tell him. He don't happen. I don't tell him. I don't tell him. He don't. Wizkid go. Bona boy ni.
What do you think about that, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Now to the main headline of today. Now let's begin today's video, okay? The Nigerian hip-hop star has in the course of his career met a lot of beautiful classic women both locally and internationally. Well, without further ado, let's begin the countdown. The first person on our list today is Sophia Ramal. She was Wizkid's first girlfriend during his early days in music industry. Things changed when stardom came. Wizkid featured Sophia in his first single Alacho Boy. She was Wizkid's first girlfriend when Wizkid turned 17 years old and had always stood by Wizkid, especially during his hard times, challenges, and predicaments. Unfortunately, things changed when stardom came, as we earlier mentioned. After becoming a global celebrity, Wizkid broke up with Sophie Ramal and decided to enjoy his fame and glory without Sophie Ramal. The beautiful lady waited for him to come back to her, but unfortunately, Wizkid has already moved on. She therefore decided to get married to a Nigerian billionaire. The next person is Sola Ogudu. Sola shockingly revealed that she was deflowered by Wizkid, who impregnated her, according to her words. To think I just started having sex at that time. I was just too frustrated, like, who sent me? It's funny now, but it wasn't funny then. Imagine seeing your monthly period unknown to you, that there is a baby growing in you. Man, God is great, she said. Wizkid did not just accept full responsibility of the pregnancy without a fight. According to Sola Ogudu, from the moment she discovered that she was pregnant for Wizkid, she revealed the information immediately to Wizkid, but he denied the baby. Even after giving birth to the baby, he still didn't want anything to do with the baby. At some point, Wizkid and his family asked for a DNA test, which came out positive. She went on to reveal that Wizkid's family at the beginning would come to her house with gifts, pleading with her to understand that he would soon come around, which he never did. Sola Ogudu, in her explosive revelation, also stated that Wizkid only did things for their son so as to be perceived in public as a good dad. According to her, he tattooed his name on his body to give the impression that he was a cool dad. Well, what do you think about this? Wizkid is one tough guy. Number 3. Tonto Dike. About 3 to 4 years ago, Wizkid and Tonto Dike had an affair. There was no public appearance, no Twitter of affection and selfie. All we had was a strong rumor that the bad babe of Nollywood was in a low-key love affair with Wizkid. Well, everybody knows that Tonto Dike has a special love interest and likeness for Nigerian famous singer and Uju Elegba crooner Wizkid. She showered him with different gifts just to get the handsome guy into her hot pants and ties. Who knows? Nobody. She even reportedly bought him a car worth millions of naira as a wooing method. Although they both denied the car story, but sources close to them insisted that she actually bought a car for Wizkid. Tonto Dike dated the Nigerian superstar Wizkid and admitted that she still have a soft spot for the star boy and placed him so dearly in her heart. It was also reported that she bought him a car and showered him different kinds of gifts as a wooing method. Well, ladies out there, you could learn from Tonto Dike's wooing method. You can actually buy me a car. I'll leave my number in the description below. You can give me a call and tell me you want to send me a car. I would gladly accept that. What do you think, ladies? Well, I'll leave that to you. The next person on our list is Tiwa Savage. Well, Tiwa Savage is said to be one of the Wizkid's latest girlfriend that is back in 2019 to 2020 early beginnings. She got hooked up with Wizkid after she divorced her ex-husband, Till Bills. Tiwa Savage and Wizkid have appeared together on several events and shows as lovebirds. In 2018, Wizkid featured Tiwa Savage in his music video, Fever, which had so much romantic scene and got fans talking. Unfortunately, many people have criticized Tiwa Savage. Well, who cares? Age is just a number. If you have a contrary opinion, let me know in the comment section below. However, in an interview with the media, Nigerian multi-talented singer Tiwa Savage disclosed why she has a special relationship with Wizkid. This follows Wizkid's sharing of numerous pictures of Tiwa Savage on his Instagram page, now deleted though. However, the African bad girl, as she's fondly called, responded to questions on her relationship with Wizkid saying, "You already know how emotional I get, so this is just making me teary." Well, what do you think? Did you think they actually had an affair or not? Let us know in the comment section below. The next person on our list is Tanya Omotayo. Wizkid revealed this on Drive Time at Beat 99.9 FM, where he featured as a star guest, that the show host questions him on his relationship with Tanya Omotayo, who has been showing signs on social media that their love is quite suffering some strain. Although Wizkid was hesitant, as I said, he is a legend. He kept quiet for some seconds and laughed awkwardly. According to his words, "My friend is fine, we are cool, but I am single now, you know. Yeah, I am single now, but it's all love. I got love for her, she's like my best friend anyway," he replied. Bestie, bestie. The next person on our list is Chidinma Ekile. Wizkid once confirmed that he had a crush on Chidinma. According to his words, "I have a youth crush on Chidinma for a very long time. She doesn't know, but it's true." Being Starboy the legend, things had gone down between them both. He's a bad guy. The next person on our list today is Binta Diamond Diallo. Binta Diamond and Wizkid were in a quiet relationship for a while, and when she became pregnant, things were kept on a low until she gave birth to her son. The star singer and his Ghanaian-born second baby mama, Binta, welcomed their baby boy, Ayodeji Ibrahim Balogun Jr., which is Wizkid's exact first, middle, and last names. She bore the baby on the 16th of January 2016 in the United States of America. It was reported that Binta conceived and got pregnant for Wizkid in 2015 and later gave birth to a bouncy baby boy on the 16th of January in the United States of America. According to her, she was the first woman to have a child for Wizkid during his so-called 7 years relationship with Tanya Omotayo. She wasn't aware that Wizkid was already in a 7 years relationship because when she met Wizkid, he told her that he is single. "I told you this guy is a legend." And therefore, no one should blame her on the cause of Wizkid and Tanya Omotayo breakup. He is a bad boy. He is a bad boy. The next person on our list is Uda Monrio. Rumor had it that former Big Brother Africa housemate Uda Monrio was dating Wizkid. She confirmed this by posting pictures of her and Wizkid on Instagram. It was revealed that Uda was reportedly one of the reasons for Wizkid's on and off relationship with his ex-girlfriend Tanya Omotayo. According to reliable information, Wizkid is the only Nigerian man who is immune to Uda Monrio, the detestation of West African men. The socialite said that she wouldn't mind marrying the Oju Elegba crooner. Well, Starboy is a legend. The next person on our list today is Victoria Kimani. There were dating rumors between Wizkid and Kenyan singer Victoria Kimani. Well, the folks at City People's Magazine and Kenyan Standard Media reports that they caught Wizkid locking lips with Victoria Kimani in a car. They also reported that Wizkid was later caught again kissing Victoria Kimani at the Westland Hotel in Kenya. However, on Sunday night on the 19th of October 2014 at Skylos Hotel in Westland, multi-talented singer Victoria Kimani and Wizkid openly displayed affection where the party had moved after the trailing performance at Carnival Grounds. According to Kenyan Standard Media reports, Wizkid made his appearance at Skylos Hotel in the company of Lax. Well, Wizkid is sure a legend. The next person on our list is Jada Palok. Wizkid got his manager pregnant. Yes, his manager, Jada Palok, in early 2017. Wizkid and Jada got into a romantic affair months after they started working together. Their baby boy, Zion, was born in London. For Wizkid, she took charge of his branding and image, ensuring she stayed out of drama on social media controversy. She also ran his organized social media publicity contributor to his increasing international media features. Being a former cushy employer, she commanded his fashion and style as this navigated his international campaign with Sony. Jada Child becomes Wizkid's third son, coming after Boluwatife, who was born in 2011, and Ayodeji, who was born in 2016, with Shola Ogudu and US-based model Binta Diamond Diallo, respectively. Other ladies that made the list are Justin Sky, Sheishe, and others. Well, if you have any other suggestion, let us know in the comment section below. And, well, it was a blast. He's still a legend when it comes to the girls. Thanks for watching the video to the end. If you stayed to the end, thank you. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to stay subscribed, like this video, turn on the bell notification after subscribing. Stay well, stay safe, and peace out.